How to find or add nearby friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open the Snapchat application on your device. You will see the search button there. Tap on that and then enter the location you currently are in. If you tap on the stories option there, you will see all the stories that have been added to Snapchat from that particular location. You can see I have the stories from people who are living in the same location as me. Now, if you tap on the three dots on the bottom right of your screen, you will see the add button there beside the username of that particular user. If you tap on the add button, you will be able to add the user to your Snapchat account. You can get the same option by clicking on map button too. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.